Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. You have bought something on Amazon and you've instantly regretted it and you're wondering if you can send it back. It's tiny. Not only that, but send it back for free and get a full refund. Me too, because look, I bought these two items here and they're no good. I need to get them back. All you need to do is just tick a few boxes, put the stuff back in the box that it came in and get yourself over to the post office. I don't know why I'm being so aggressive. And take a lovely trip to the post office. You and me are gonna do this together and we're gonna get our money back. This is the Dad Delivers vlog where I try to do something new each and every day, and this is new because I haven't sent two items back at once, so we'll see how that goes. The first thing we want to do is to make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. I'm in the UK, so this is what my Amazon homepage looks like. But if you go up to the top of the screen there, you can see this menu, returns and orders. So we'll click on that. And that opens up all of your orders from the past 3 months. You can change how long back it goes here. But the item that I want to send back, well, the two items I want to send back are right here. They are a Vans backpack and a Spigen screen protector. Shall I tell you what was wrong with them? No, I'll save that. I'll save that for later on. But the first thing you want to do is to find this menu item here, return or replace items. So if we click on that, and it opens up all of the items that were delivered as part of that delivery. And oh my goodness, this was quite a haul. I bought some things for my daughter, but I also bought this backpack. So I'm going to tick on the box for the backpack, and then I'm going to click on this menu here. Why are you returning this? If you click on the menu, it brings up all of the possible reasons that you're allowed to select. So we've got, you found a better price, there are missing parts, or the package was damaged, or the item is defective. But I think the one that fits me most is that it's not useful for intended purpose. We thought from the photo that it would be the size for a schoolboy, but it's more like a little handbag. Unfortunately, you can put details in this box here, but I'm not going to bother doing that. So let's go down to the second item that I want to return. 3-pack of Samsung Galaxy S9 screen protectors. It was so dumb. The listing says Samsung Galaxy S9 plus screen protector. I thought that meant an S9 plus a screen protector. I thought it was an additional thing. I didn't realize there was an actual phone called the S9 Plus. There's a help article down here for why don't I see all of my items. You might want to pause, but I'm just going to continue now. And that brings up a summary. How can we make it right? So I'm going to choose refund to Amazon account balance on both of them. And then we're going to tick the box here. Yes, please issue my refund to my Amazon account. Lots of different options for sending things back. The one I found the easiest, even though they recommend Hermes drop off, is to drop it off, return it to the Royal Mail. And what's great is that they'll sort it all out. I'll show you the process in a moment. So I'm going to choose Royal Mail drop off, print in store. And then we'll click on confirm your return. So here we now have your return summary. Amazon have sent me an email. Here's what the email looks like. We've accepted your return request. It takes a while for this email to arrive, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. But it gives you this QR code on the screen here. And the idea is that we'll pack up the items and we'll go to the post office and they will zap this QR code and then they'll take it away for you. You don't have to label it, you don't have to do anything. It's fantastic. Here, if you want to pause, here are the instructions for how to take it to your nearest post office. So I've got an idea. Should we pack up the items and go to the post office? Let's see if this works. I'm going to let you know if I get paid in a minute, in a moment. That's after I've handed it in at the post office. Let's go in.
Cashier number 2, please.
Lovely.
I've got an Amazon return.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thanks.
There we go. Still on scale.
Thanks.
Lovely. Send that in.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you. There we go. There's proof of
That's it.
postage.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks. It was that quick. Look, I've got proof of postage. Let's find out now if I get the money back. That was at 3:20. 1 hour, 40 minutes later, I get this email from Amazon. Refund total £4.99, and for the Vans backpack I got £28 back. So we did it. If you hit the subscribe button right now, nothing will happen whatsoever, but you'll be taking me closer to the 1,000 subscribers mark, which we're trying to hit. So thanks so much if you are kind enough to hit that button, or even the thumbs up to help other people find this. Right here is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How was that?